How to fix Meijer app not working? Let's get started. So for that, first of all, completely close the app and then reopen it again. After that, open up settings. Inside your tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and then use the search bar to search for the Meijer app. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it, tap on upload app, then tap on upload app one more time. Once you have done it, you can simply tap on reinstall app right over here. This refreshes the app without deleting your data and can fix bugs or corrupted app files. If the app isn't working, make sure that your internet connection is stable and check if the App Store has any new update for this app. You can even restart your iPhone as this often fixes temporary software glitches. If none of this step fixes your problem, the issue may be temporary Meijer server outage. In that case, you'll need to wait until the server is back online. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.